The journey began with a sight that would make any enthusiast's heart sink. We found this 2026 Kia camper van, a marvel of modern design, in a state of utter ruin. Its once proud form was now a twisted wreck, a testament to a severe accident. Dramatic shots revealed the full extent of the devastation, with the front end crumpled and the sides scarred by deep gashes. Close-ups lingered on the shattered windows and the buckled body panels, painting a grim picture of the challenge ahead. The interior, designed for comfort and adventure, was now a scene of destruction, with fixtures torn from their mountings and debris scattered throughout. It was a vehicle left for dead, a ghost of its former self, but we saw a flicker of potential amidst the wreckage. With a clear vision in mind, the monumental task of teardown and rebuild commenced. A time-lapse captured the systematic disassembly as our team stripped the van down to its very skeleton, a bare chassis awaiting revival. Every damaged component, every bent piece of metal, was carefully removed, cataloging what could be salvaged and what needed to be replaced. Our lead mechanic then began the meticulous process of repairing the core structure, using precision tools to straighten the bent frame and ensure its integrity. The engine, the heart of the machine, was painstakingly overhauled, with each part inspected and restored to perfect working order. A dynamic montage then showcased the artistry of the bodywork. New panels were expertly welded into place, seamlessly blending with the original frame. Countless hours were spent sanding every surface, smoothing out imperfections until the body was flawlessly prepared. Finally, the van was moved into our professional paint booth, where it received a lustrous new coat of deep metallic gray, transforming the battered shell into a pristine canvas. As the exterior regained its form, our focus shifted to recreating the luxurious interior from scratch. This was not just a repair, it was a complete reimagining of the living space. The destroyed cabinetry and furnishings were discarded, making way for a custom-built environment. We started by installing a new insulated floor, laying the foundation for the comfort that would follow. Meticulously crafted wooden cabinets with soft close hinges were fitted, providing ample storage while adding a touch of natural elegance. A state-of-the-art kitchenette, complete with a compact refrigerator and induction cooktop, was integrated into the design. The centerpiece of the interior restoration was the installation of a sophisticated ambient lighting system. Strips of LEDs were carefully concealed within the ceiling and under the cabinets, programmed to create a warm, inviting glow that could be customized to suit any mood. Every detail, from the plush upholstery of the seating to the polished chrome fixtures, was chosen to elevate the camper's interior to a level of unparalleled luxury. The moment of the final reveal was nothing short of breathtaking. The fully restored 2026 Kia camper van emerged from the workshop, gleaming under the lights as if it had just rolled off the production line. Cinematic shots swept across its flawless exterior, the metallic paint reflecting a perfect mirror-like finish. The van stood in showroom condition, a testament to the skill and dedication poured into its resurrection. As the sliding door opened, it revealed the stunning interior, where the ambient lights cast a soft, ethereal glow. The warm light highlighted the rich textures of the wood, the supple leather of the seats, and the sleek, modern appliances. This was no longer a wrecked vehicle. It was a masterpiece of restoration, a sanctuary on wheels ready for new adventures. The transformation was complete, proving that even from the most hopeless wreckage, beauty and function can be reborn with passion and precision.